In high-functioning environments, access should be precise, secure, and simple. The ATG QR Keypad ensures only authorized individuals step through your gates. Whether it's a mine, warehouse, office park, or estate, smart access starts here. Multiple ways in, zero friction. Authorized users scan a secure QR code, enter a personal PIN, or tap a registered NFC card. No keys, no remotes, no holdups. Just fast, touch-free entry, customizable by role, time, and location. Generate secure, time-limited invitations in seconds. Visitors and contractors enter a temporary PIN or scan their personalized QR on arrival. Real-time notifications alert hosts instantly, ensuring complete oversight. Real-time oversight built in. View who's on site, review incidents, or set up automatic reports for effortless auditing. Flag or block high-risk profiles for proactive protection. Secure access that works your way. QR codes, NFC cards, and PINs. A waterproof, touchless, multi-mode access solution that integrates seamlessly into your existing security ecosystem. Control who comes and goes and when. Welcome to the future of intelligent access control.